Along the riverbanks, capybaras gather while caimans rest in the sun. The Amazon comes alive with every ripple and call. Watch the sunrise over a peaceful Amazon meadow, where dew glistens and butterflies dance among the morning mist. High above the forest floor, monkeys leap from tree to tree while birds and butterflies glide through the canopy. Discover a hidden waterfall, where mist rises gently over mossy rocks and wildlife thrives around the rushing waters. As night falls, the Amazon transforms. Fireflies light up the forest while nocturnal animals begin their quiet routines.